This creamy, melt-in-your-mouth Malai broccoli is a flavorful twist on broccoli that's perfect as an appetizer or side dish. With a touch of Indian spices and a creamy texture, this Malai broccoli is both healthy and indulging, ideal for those days when you want something flavorful and delicious. Start by adding hung curd or cream cheese to a blender, along with soaked cashews, green chilies, garlic cloves, chopped ginger, some coriander leaves, and some mint leaves. Blend until smooth, creamy, and lump-free. Next, add fresh cream and 2 processed cheese slices to the blender. Blend everything again until you get a silky, rich mixture. This blend will coat the broccoli perfectly and give it that signature creamy flavor. Once the marinade is smooth, set it aside. Now, in a large mixing bowl, add 1/4 cup of yogurt, salt, ground pepper, chaat masala and garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of sugar. Then for some extra flavor, add mustard oil, lemon juice, the prepared mixture, and crushed kasuri methi. Whisk everything together until all the spices are well combined and smooth. Now it's time to add blanched broccoli. Drop the blanched broccoli florets into the bowl and mix thoroughly. Make sure that every piece is fully coated in marinade mixture. Once everything is nicely coated, cover the bowl with a plastic wrap and marinate for 30 minutes. This marinating step helps the spices and flavors soak into the broccoli and makes it extra delicious. After 30 minutes, line a baking tray with parchment paper. Place broccoli florets on the tray. Remember to leave a little space between them. Alternatively, you can thread the broccoli onto wooden skewers. Drizzle any remaining marinade over the florets to make them extra juicy. Now spray the broccoli with a little bit of oil. Then place the tray in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius and bake for about 15 minutes or until the broccoli turns light golden brown and is fully cooked. If you are short on time, you can also use air fryer or pan fry the florets. Once they are done, carefully remove the tray from the oven and there you have it, golden creamy Malai broccoli, perfectly cooked and full of flavor. Each piece is coated in a rich, spice marinade that infuses deep flavors into every bite. Serve it hot with a side of mint coriander chutney for an added touch of freshness. Enjoy this simple, delicious treat that's sure to impress. Happy cooking! See you next time!